you, Mother B. Gustavo, ang aking mga designer tonight, Boom Saxon, Michael Leva, Pablo Cabal, Jerome Ran, and Joey Samson. Ayan, maraming salamat po, of course, to my voice teachers, Teacher Annie, Teacher Lily, to my friends, G3, and Ate Jessamine, thank you. Ats, I love you, thank you sa concept nyo dito sa Mansley. Joy Aquino, Ate Candy, I love you. Spectrum Corporation and House Production, Joel Salindo Incorporated. Ang aking mga dancers, of course, Nash Genola, Hot Legs, City Guys, Teacher Jersey, maraming salamat. G-Force, thank you so much. Ang aking mga producers, JMA Production, Mr. Johan Silva and Ms. Jerry Capilar. Ang Pink Production, Ms. Cathy Santos, and JNB. At si G-Boy, Kampandin, ang mga guests ko. And of course, thank you, Paolo, Raider Cruz, JC Rivera, and Rick Hill, Lola Pascual, Pangla Bautista. Siyempre, Mr. M, thank you so much. Gusto mo magpasalamat din, Mr. M. Salamat po, dahil kahit hindi na nagtitiwala ka, ikaw nagtitiwala ka pa rin sa akin. At lagi mo pinapalakas yung loob ko. I love you, Mr. M, so much. Wala man po yung dati ko ngayon, pero si Mr. M, grabe na po ito rin pinagana.
Sa ilalim ng ano, black hole.